Three, two, one. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Pitch Product. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm really excited to be doing the second video. And I think this will be the layout of the video styles from now on until I find the actual zest or the actual passion of what this channel is supposed to be about. Yeah. Before we get started, I want to just mention something real quick. Fear.
Okay. Oh!
Fear is a liar. If you have something you want to do, a passion you want to embark on, a journey you want to start, a channel, Instagram, whatever, anything you want to do, and you're afraid to start or you're wrangling your head around making it perfect before you get into it, man, don't worry about any of that. Just do it. If you're afraid, go towards that fear. I'm afraid right now. But I'm here. All right, so let's just get started and roll into this video. So today we're gonna be looking at the Ring Video Doorbell, and really try to figure out why are people buying this Ring Video Doorbell, and why in the world should you think about getting one too? Oh, there it is. Look at that. Ooh. I gotta say that does look good. That looks really nice. That's a doorbell, guys. a futuristic doorbell. Man, we are in the future. Oh, that color looks even nicer. Ring. We have this nice blue circle around it. There is a camera in this doorbell, as you can see. It has a very, very wide angle lens. So you can practically, or you can basically see your entire porch, which is crazy. Let's see. Okay, you just mount it onto the door there, or to the side of the door. Oh, look at that. Nice, happy family. That's what you want. Yep. The Ring Video Doorbell, bringing you a nice, happy family. Yep, forget bonding. This thing is gonna make you a happy family. Okay, delivery looks like that happens even better too with this thing. Your delivery guy will be very pleased that you have this on your doorbell. On your doorbell. That you have this on your door. They want to know, hey, I'm leaving this thing that I'm delivering for you, and I know it's gonna be safe because you're gonna be watching it the entire time from your phone. That's awesome. Okay, and let's see. Okay. Look at that. You can have live view straight from your smartphone. How crazy is that? A security system on your door, and it's a doorbell, and you got live view of it. My God, that's crazy. All right, let's look at this commercial here. Looks like it's a minute long.
A
Okay,
lot
it's a
happens
nice
at your
house, by the
front
way.
door. With a Ring Video Doorbell, you'll never miss a visitor.
Never miss a visitor.
You know what? I'm at
Ever.
the store. I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Hello?
Oh, hey, thought I missed you. Got a couple packages for you.
Oh, great. Can you put it around back, please?
Anytime, from anywhere, Ring keeps you connected to the things that matter most.
Hi, Mom. Hey, you guys. Text me what you want for dinner. Okay.
Home security starts at your front door.
Uh-oh.
The Ring Video Doorbell features HD
Uh-oh.
video, two-way talk, and customizable motion detection, which alerts you when
Oh, yeah,
anyone
he ain't
steps
getting in that
onto
house.
your property.
Hi there. What can
Hey,
I
man,
do
you
for
got
you?
no chance. You might as well step away.
217 Pine Street.
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
Sorry.
Ring puts
That's what
home
you tell a
security
robber.
in your
I
hands
think you're
and
in
makes
the
it
wrong
easy
place.
to watch over your property.
No.
With a Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home.
Always home. Oh, that's a nice model. Always home. Man. So basically, if you're very paranoid about keeping yourself safe, or not even paranoid at all, and you're just, a very smart consumer who knows how to shop for security products, and you're looking to upgrade your security system, then you might as well get this. Man, I mean, I want this too. Look Because sometimes I get paranoid. You get a knock on your door, and you're like, "Who is out there?" And it's even worse if you don't have one of those little peepholes thing on your door, whatever it's called. Peephole sounds so creepy. Mm. Yeah, whatever it's called. um, and you can't tell, but with this, it looks like you literally. I mean, as soon as somebody presses that doorbell, it looks like you get instant live view to your phone. You know. And of course, when a robber comes around and they're looking all sketchy, the first thing you want to be tell them is, "Hey, you're at the wrong place, or can I help you?" No, man, you got to say, "You better step back from my house right now. I can see you. I see you. You step back. 10 more steps. No, you're still in my yard. This ain't your house, and I can see you." Never miss another visitor. I love that. Sometimes you be taking a nap and you know you got somebody coming over, and then you just don't answer the door. Works with Alexa. Connect Ring with Alexa devices to get security at the sound of your voice to view live activity at your door anytime. Anytime. That is amazing. Two-way talk. Hear and speak to visitors from your mobile device using the built-in microphone and speakers with noise cancellation. Ooh, that is amazing. You can get alerts on your phone, tablet, and PC as soon as anyone presses that doorbell. And it has built-in motion sensors. This is great. This is you want to use what you is going to keep you safe, you know? Looks like it's pretty easy to install, removable battery pack. That's also really, really good. Let's see, compare Ring doorbells. Okay, let's see. So we're looking at the Model 2 here. Let's see, the first model, which is about $100 cheaper. Looks like you don't get, or you do get motion activated alert, but you don't get interchangeable faceplates or quick release rechargeable battery packs or advanced motion detectors. Actually, you don't get that for any of these two, the first model or the second model. But if you wanted to purchase the Video Doorbell Pro, you do get an advanced motion detection for extra security. Then there's the Elite, which of course has basically everything. What's curious though is that the Doorbell 2 is the only one with the quick release rechargeable battery pack. I wonder what that's about. Can we not get that on any of these other ones? What if you wanted the Elite and then you can change the battery? Are they solar powered? I don't know. We'd have to make another video to find out. Let's see. Average install time 5 minutes. Super easy. It's weather resistant. Even better. All right, field of view, 160 degrees horizontal and 90 degrees vertical. Yeah, I mean, that's a really wide angle lens that they have packed into that little rectangular wonder of the world. Look at that. We have 7,067 customer reviews. So a lot of people are purchasing this, guys. If you are into keeping your house safe and you got family, you got kids, um, and you're not quite sure if your neighborhood is safe, well, I mean, I would argue that any neighborhood isn't that safe. Um, you should really look into this because your doorbell, your regular doorbell can't do this. It can't keep you safe. It can't alert you if there's anything that's not supposed to be at your house. Um, but this can. Do you have to subscribe to their service in order for it to continue working? That's a great question. And the answer, let's see, goes is if you don't pay monthly, this thing is just a $200 doorbell button. It will still notify you that someone is at your door, but you most likely will not be able to get your phone out of your pocket. Unlock your phone, open the program, wait for it to make a connection, and show you who is at your door. After the initial 30 days, it will not record anything unless you pay $3 monthly to Ring forever. You will have to pay Ring every month for as long as you own this, even though you own it and it uses your Wi-Fi in order to work. Okay, so it looks like you'd pay a $3 monthly fee for some good extra added security. That sounds like a bargain. Is it weatherproof or waterproof? I found that yes, it most definitely is weather and waterproof, but not so smart of, but in not so smart of a way. What? That doesn't make sense. I had my Ring video doorbell in its place by the door when Hurricane Irma came through last year. Huh? So at the point where I realized the doorbell was still outside, our power and internet were out, but the battery was still powering the doorbell. Hmm. And I was worried about the internal electronics, but I took it inside, took out the battery, and put it on the counter, and forgot about it for a few days until things started to settle down. And then the power finally came back on. So at that point, it was the moment of truth when I went and put the doorbell back in its place, and when it re-established its connection with the internet, every aspect of the doorbell worked just fine. Man, did you hear that? This thing this thing survived through Hurricane Irma. So yeah, it definitely is weather and waterproof.